Ever walk into a room and feel instantly drawn to one specific area? That's the power of an accent wall. It's amazing how one wall, painted or designed differently, can completely change how a space feels. You might be thinking it's just paint, right? But it's so much more than that. It's about intentionality. It's about taking a room from good to great with a few strategic decisions. So, what exactly is an accent wall? An accent wall is a design element that can transform the look and feel of a room. It's a wall that stands out from the other walls in a room, creating a focal point that draws the eye and adds depth to the space. It's simply a wall that stands out from the other walls in a room. This can be achieved through various means, such as painting it a different color, adding a unique texture, or even using a different material altogether. The goal is to create a visual anchor that makes the room more interesting and dynamic. Instead of blending in, it makes a statement. An accent wall can be bold and dramatic, or it can be subtle and sophisticated. The choice depends on the overall design and mood you want to create in the room. For example, a bright red wall can add energy and excitement, while a soft blue wall can create a calming and serene atmosphere. Think of it like the lead singer in a band. Just as the lead singer captures the audience's attention and brings the performance to life, an accent wall captures the viewer's attention and brings the room to life. It adds that extra something special, that undeniable presence that makes the space feel complete. They bring that extra something special, that undeniable presence. An accent wall can be a powerful design tool that allows you to express your personality and style. Whether you choose a bold color, a unique texture, or an interesting material, the accent wall becomes a canvas for your creativity. An accent wall can be a different color, a different texture, or even a different material altogether. The possibilities are endless. You can use paint, wallpaper, wood, stone, or even fabric to create an accent wall that reflects your taste and enhances the overall design of the room, or even a different material altogether. The key is to choose something that stands out and complements the rest of the room. An accent wall should enhance the space, not overwhelm it. It's about finding the right balance between making a statement and maintaining harmony with the other elements in the room. It's all about creating that focal point, that visual anchor that draws the eye and adds depth. An accent wall can transform a plain room into a stunning space with character and charm. It can highlight architectural features, create a sense of depth, and even make a small room feel larger. So whether you're looking to refresh your living room, bedroom, or any other space, consider adding an accent wall to bring new life and energy to your home. You know what I love about accent walls? The options are endless. You can go bold, dramatic, or subtle, or sophisticated. Studies show that more and more homeowners are choosing to incorporate accent walls. They're realizing that this simple design approach can have a huge impact. And the best part, it's a relatively easy and affordable way to upgrade space. You don't need a complete renovation to make a big difference. Now let's talk about color. Color is one of the most powerful tools in interior design. It can transform a space, evoke emotions, and even influence our mood and behavior. Whether you're looking to create a calm sanctuary or a vibrant gathering space, the colors you choose will play a crucial role in achieving your desired atmosphere. The color you choose for your accent wall can drastically change the mood of the room. An accent wall is a perfect way to experiment with bold colors without overwhelming the space. It draws the eye and can serve as a focal point, setting the tone for the entire room. Imagine walking into a room and immediately feeling a sense of calm or excitement, all because of the color on one wall. Maybe blue, for example, adds a sense of sophistication and calm. It's a color that exudes elegance and can make a room feel more intimate and cozy. Navy blue works well in living rooms, bedrooms, and even bathrooms, creating a serene and stylish environment. Pair it with metallic accents or crisp white trim to enhance its luxurious feel. Emerald green brings in a touch of nature and tranquility. This color is perfect for creating a refreshing and rejuvenating space. It can make you feel connected to the outdoors even if you're in the heart of the city. Emerald green is versatile and can be paired with natural wood tones, gold accents, or even other shades of green for a harmonious look. And a bold red, well, that's a statement of confidence and energy. Red is a color that demands attention and can instantly energize a room. It's perfect for spaces where you want to encourage conversation and activity like dining rooms and home offices. However, it's important important to balance red with neutral tones to prevent it from becoming too overwhelming. The key is to think about the feeling you want to create in each space. Consider how different colors make you feel, and how they can influence the overall atmosphere of the room. You want a space that feels warm and inviting, or cool and refreshing? The colors you choose will help you achieve that. You want it to be cozy and inviting, dramatic and bold, relaxing and serene? Each color has its own unique personality and can help you create the mood you're looking for. For example, warm colors like reds, oranges, and yellows can make a room feel more intimate and cozy, while cool colors like blues, greens, and purples can create a more relaxing and serene environment. The right color can help you achieve that. Don't be afraid to experiment with different shades and combinations to find the perfect look for your space. Remember, color is a powerful tool in interior design, and with a little creativity, you can transform any room into a beautiful and inviting space. Creating an accent wall is a pretty straightforward process. It's a fantastic way to add a focal point to any room, giving it a unique character and a touch of your personal style. Whether you're looking to make a bold statement or just add a subtle hint of color, an accent wall can transform the entire feel of your space. First, choose the wall you want to highlight. This is a crucial step because the right wall can make all the difference. Consider the layout of your room and how you use the space. Think about which wall naturally catches your eye when you walk in. It could be the wall behind your bed, the one your sofa is against, or even the wall you see first when you enter the room. Typically, it's the wall that naturally draws your eye. This wall will become the centerpiece of your design, so choose wisely. It's often the wall that's free of windows and doors, providing a blank canvas for your creativity. Then decide on your color and material. This is where you can really let your personality shine. Are you drawn to bold, vibrant colors, or do you prefer something more muted and sophisticated? Maybe you want to use a textured wallpaper, wood paneling, or even a mural. The options are endless, and the choice is yours. Don't be afraid to get creative. This is your chance to experiment and have fun with your design. Look for inspiration in magazines and online. Think about how different colors and textures will work with the rest of your decor. Remember, this is your space, and it should reflect your taste and style. Once you've got your material, it's all about prepping the wall and applying your chosen finish. Proper preparation is key to a professional-looking result. Make sure the wall is clean, smooth, and free of any imperfections. If you're painting, use painter's tape to protect the edges and ensure clean lines. Take your time with this step, because it will pay off in the end. If you're not comfortable tackling this project yourself, there are plenty of professionals who can. Hiring a professional can save you time and ensure a flawless finish. They can also offer valuable advice and ideas on how to consider. Whether you do it yourself or hire a pro, the end result will be a stunning accent wall that transforms your space. You know that feeling you get when you walk into a well-designed space? It just feels good to be there. Accent walls play a big role in creating that feeling. They add visual interest and depth, making a room feel more dynamic and engaging. And when a space is more engaging, we tend to feel more comfortable and relaxed. It's amazing how a simple design element can have such a profound impact on our emotional well-being. Remember, accent walls aren't limited to just paint. You can get really creative with different materials and textures. Think exposed brick for an industrial vibe, reclaimed wood for a touch of rustic charm, or even wallpaper with a bold pattern for a touch of personality. Don't be afraid to think outside the box and let your personality shine through. Once you've got your accent wall in place, you can take it to the next level with some strategic decorating. Hang a gallery wall of your favorite artwork, install some stylish shelving, or even add a statement mirror to reflect light and create the illusion of more space. The key is to complement the accent wall to create a cohesive and stylish look. At the end of the day, accent walls are all about creating a space that you love. They allow you to inject your personality into your home and create a space that truly feels like your own. So, don't be afraid to experiment, have fun, and see the transformative power of accent walls for yourself.